Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajay, I go by Coach. If you don't know me or my educational background, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a idea. I've been an ISSA certified elite trainer. This comprises being a personal trainer, fitness, a nutrition expert, and a strength and conditioning coach. I've been in health and fitness for over a decade. I grew up doing this stuff. I have not made an official, video about where. Well, I actually did. I have a YouTube video that speaks on my background a little bit. But as it relates to my education, I never really get into the depth of it. So I've been certified with them. I'm currently doing a bachelor's in exercise science and coming close to the end of that. So with that information, I'm knowledgeable in the health and fitness field. And so today, though, I wanted to share a gift that I got from Inevit Fit. It's a smart scale. We all are familiar with smartphones, and we all are familiar with scales. And a lot of people like to weigh themselves every day. I don't. I hardly ever weigh myself. But if I'm preparing for something specific, like a show or whatever, which I don't really do, but thinking about it, or even when I was an athlete, track and field athlete, then your weight, you have to pay attention to it. But you can feel it when it's going down, when it's going up, you can see the difference. So you don't have to step on the scale every day, but some people make it a habit to do it, and it gets them discouraged. But it's not a bad thing to do. I just wouldn't encourage you to do it every day because your weight fluctuates. You went to bed last night, you got up a couple of times in the night and you peed, you lost a bunch of water, but lost a bunch of electrolytes. So when you wake up, you're gonna have a low weight. The moment you eat breakfast and lunch, you're gonna add a couple more pounds. You eat dinner, you're gonna add a couple more pounds. You go to the gym after you have dinner and weigh yourself, you're gonna be heavier than you were in the morning because you put water, juice, coffee, food in your system. So yes, you're gonna be heavier. You wake up tomorrow again, the weight is probably gonna be a little bit down. It's probably gonna go up depending on what you eat the day before. So in my opinion, it's unnecessary to weigh yourself every day. It can be very mentally taxing on your brain, make you feel like you're not accomplishing anything. It's better to weigh yourself, to me, it's better to weigh yourself weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. I mean, if you're really not trying to get a specific number for a specific event or whatnot, I would not focus too much on it. But if you want to, do your thing. Me, personally, nah. So, this is a smart body fat scale. The very fact that they mention fat, then you kind of have an idea that it's gonna help to give you an idea where your fat percentage is, which is a lot of us reason for doing what we do in health and fitness. A lot of people come, they want to lose weight. What kind of weight you want to lose? Fat. So it's a no-brainer. If it's a smart fat scale, then it's a no-brainer. You already have something that is your prime focus when you're training. So this would be one of those skills that you want to have in your arsenal. There's a lot of skills out there. I'm just so lucky to be gifted with this one, and I feel like share it because I think it's gonna give you the right number. I mean, it's gonna give you the right things to look for as you progress through your fitness journey. A little bit about this scale. So it gives your body weight, your body mass index, which is your BMI, which is one of the things that you want to look for when you're starting out, so you can have an idea where you're at with certain specific numbers like BMI. You want to know because it's going to help to gauge what your nutrition calories are going to be look like, how you're going to tailor it. You know, do you want to increase more protein, increase carbs? Do you want to reduce carbs a little bit, increase protein and fat? It all depends. The numbers depends. Body fat percentage, it's going to also give you your fat-free body weight, which is awesome to have. If you ever do an in-body scan, then you're going, one of the things that you're going to see on the in-body scan printout is your fat-free body weight, body fat percentage, and subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water percentage. This gives you all of that. So a lot of the times these in-body scales, they are not very popular around. There's a few places, like here in Washington. So far, I know of maybe 3 spots that you can go to use the in-body scale. Some places, some gyms, you have to pay. Some places it's free. But with this scale, look. This is not a scale that I have been using. I am not here to lie to you. It's not me. But looking at what it offers, from what I know and how I would guide you if I'm your coach, these are things that is important. And if this scale, when you get your iPhone, it gives you features, it tells you what it does. You're not sure. What do? You buy the phone anyway, because what? It's fancy, it tells you it does this, it does that. You buy it, you try it. This scale is telling me that it does all these things. It gives you your basal metabolic rate, which is very important, and metabolic age, which is very important to help tailor your training. So from looking at this, honestly, if they did not send it to me, but I've seen it just randomly, the fact that sometimes I want to do an in-body scan and I do not have the time to really drive 30 minutes or 40 minutes to go to where one is, the fact that I can have this scale at a certain price, then honestly, I would buy it. So the link is in my bio under Smart Scale, or whatever I have it as right now, but it's there. Let's see. There's an app. It's called Euros Scale. You can download and set up your profile. That's basically yes. So even when it tracks your information, you are able to download it into a CSV file and, you know, share it with your coach or personal trainer, so they can see what's going on if they haven't seen you in a week. You can connect this to a Fitbit, and I'm pretty sure you're supposed to be able to connect it to your iPhone as well. Yeah, Apple Health and Google Fit. So yeah, it has a lot of features. Of course, they have a video instruction to help you set it up. And so, yeah, this is Inevitable Fitness is the full name. What is their IG? I do have their IG. in Evit. There it is. Inevit Fit. INEVIFIT. That's their IG. Pop the scale out. How about I pop the scale out? This is the instruction manual. Bam. Yes, I did open it. So this bag is just what it was in. Euros, love your body. Okay, so this is how it comes. That's the box. Okay. Highly accurate body composition, unlimited users, multiple people, smart tracking. So, and there's a code to scan to get the app. You got 5-year warranty from the manufacturer. On the back, you have a complete body composition. Just spoke about a few of these. You got a body weight, body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat in your gut. That's one of the things that you don't really see. You see it on the outside, but inside, you can see it when your gut's, you're sticking out. But when your gut's sticking out, it's already bad. There are factors that contributes to your gut sticking out, but one of those are subcutaneous fat that builds up over time, and after a period of time, you see your gut starting to extend. That's a part of where it's coming from. Visceral fat around your lungs, organs, around your organs. Body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolic rate, metabolic age. Yeah, and there's a guide to set up right there. What does it say? In Greek mythology, Eurus was the son of Aphrodite, who caused people to fall in love. Ooh, we're talking about love here. We're talking about love. I'm talking about invincible fit. If you check my Instagram bio or my link tree, you will see what is called an invincible storefront. You can pick this thing up. We have it for both men and women. We have it in tank tops too. And we have your mugs, your teacups that you can get customized with the invincible fit. If you like the colors, it's Jamaican theme. So, yeah, smashy. Mustard. I love these colors. Love them. Where was I? Oh, fall in love. The Innovative Fit Euros is meant to help you bring and keep more love in your life. By allowing you to track and care more about your fitness progress. Without further ado, let's pop the cap. Pop the cap. Voila! This is what your scale looks like. This is what the back looks like. And at the top, you got Innovative Fit, Euros, love your body. And back here, you got the battery. I already put the batteries in. I'm not gonna take you through no setup process. They have a video. Go watch it. So they got a barcode on here. You just download that. Auto calibration, step on and off to see 0.0 for the scale to auto calibrate anytime it is physically moved or stored vertically. So yeah, that's it, folks. If you want a scale to help track your progress, it's not just a scale that's going to tell you your weight. It's a scale that is going to tell you a lot of the details that myself and other coach and personal trainer will tell you to go get at a site that allows you to have it, because they don't do it. the handheld machine that we use sometimes to get your BMI 85 percentage is great. But when it comes to like in-body, what's the other one? There's a few high-tech stuff that you use to get some numbers, base numbers, like overall numbers that you want before we really start telling you, oh, you need to change this, oh, we need to do this. From what this manual says, this does that. Can't tell you how very accurate it is, but for the cost of it, it's low cost. So it's gonna really give you more than just a scale weight. You can get to see the difference. What kind of weight is it? Is it a lot of water? Is it a lot of fat and whatnot? So the link is in my bio. Please support. Check it out. Please support. Check my stuff out, and I'm looking forward to hear how you like your scale. You can come back to this YouTube video, drop your comments. I don't care if your comments are good or bad, drop them. If you need assistance with anything, drop them. And also I'm gonna have my email link in the bio, and also the scale comes with a number to call just in case you have any questions. So you're not gonna be alone. And if you need help, you can always reach out. This is your boy Ajay. This is your boy Coach. This is my little gift, which I'm gonna start using as of today, now that I get the time to really take it out of the box and make us a video to share with you what I got going on. Until then, stay invincible. Let's get invincible fit.